Avoid these costly mistakes. What really pays off when you're selling your home. I'm Holly McKhann, local realtor, and together with my husband, we have fixed and flipped over 250 homes throughout Southern California. And why would that matter to you? It's because I bring that knowledge, experience, and my low price contractors and vendors to work for you if and when you need that when you're buying or selling a home. Also, as the seller over 250 times, when you're selling a home, I know exactly what it's like to be in that position when you're negotiating on price and repair requests and all the things that come along with being a home seller. I've been in your shoes and I know what it's like. Make sure you subscribe to get more great videos and content and tips like this. So when it comes to updating your home, you want to avoid these key things. Number one, painting it an undesirable color. What's an undesirable color, you ask? Because there's a lot of pretty colors out there, and you know what you may like, or what your mom may like, or your husband may like, or your wife may not be what the mass population, the biggest pool of buyers, would like. Case in point, there was a home in San Clemente where a realtor had advised their client to paint the home a soft yellow color, and it was a large home. And it was pretty yellow, we'll just say that. Yellow can be a nice color. It's happy, it's sunshiny. I know my mother loves that color. And sorry, Mom, but that's not the color we paint a house when we are trying to appeal to the widest pool of buyers. Do you know what color that is? You may have guessed it. It's white. Here in 2024, people want white walls. Often on the outside too, but definitely interior walls need to be white. My favorite color that I love to recommend is Whisper by Dunn Edwards. And you can tell that color to any paint store and they can look it up and mix it. But it's a nice warm white, so it's not got that blue cool tone, it's warm. So maybe it has a little yellow in it, but it's gonna create that feeling of warmth and neutrality, which is what you want for home buyers. What's another costly mistake? I'll tell you, it's the C word, carpet. If you are selling a home and maybe even renting a home as a rental property owner, you want to consider removing carpet. All the buyers I've shopped with in the last couple of years really want no carpet in the house, even if it's new. I just sold a home to some buyers a few weeks ago, and the seller had put new carpet in it, which, you know, maybe that is a cheaper way to sell it because it's about half the cost of luxury vinyl plank installed. But really the way to go if your home is about 2 to 2.5 million or less is luxury vinyl plank. The 9-inch wide, 6 to 7 millimeters is great for the thickness. It just snaps together. It's quick, it's easy. It's waterproof, it's pet proof, it's wine proof, it's kid proof. Very rarely do I see this floor damaged. One caveat though, you've got to make sure your installer puts the appropriate underlayment underneath the floor or it will void the warranty. So just contact me if you have questions on any of this. I'm happy to help you, and all my contact info is below. So avoid any colored walls other than white. And also you want to avoid carpet. When I hear people say, oh, I'm getting ready to sell my house and my realtor told me to get new carpet, I bite my tongue because, you know, it's not my place. But if it's my clients and they're asking about new flooring, it's never gonna be carpet. And well, maybe I would say it's okay in bedrooms only, or if money is really, really tight, but I'm quite sure that the investment in luxury vinyl plank is going to definitely pay off more than it's gonna cost you, probably double or more. Even in a large house, you can definitely get away with the luxury vinyl plank. So those are two key things, is paint color and the flooring, and also lighting. So a costly mistake, in my opinion, would be to not update some light fixtures. Light fixtures are so relatively inexpensive and give such a big return on investment. You can get a really attractive dining chandelier on Amazon under $100. If you're not sure how to find them, I will send you some links. Just message me, call me, I'll send you some links. Beautiful lighting under $100. If you want to go more extravagant, maybe $200 at the most. But you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck and a big return on investment. But you also want to make sure you are putting updated lighting in. So if you're not sure what's in style, ask a friend who might be, really into home decorating, or just ask me. I'll help you. Because just recently I was helping someone get their home ready for sale, and they had bought some lighting in the last year or two, but it wasn't, what's on trend now for today's buyer. So we're up to 3 things. We've covered wall color, so with paint, flooring with no carpet. We want to do that luxury vinyl plank. And last, the lighting. You want to make sure you're updating your lighting if possible. And that is just a game changer for sure. Remember this key. If buyers don't like your updates and the money you've spent on doing it is just going to be wasted, your home is going to be worth less. For instance, if you painted your entire house yellow inside, buyers are thinking most of the time, unless they love yellow, I'm going to have to come in and repaint, so I'm going to have to budget money to repaint the house. Buyers always want a clean slate. They want to have like neutral walls, neutral floors, so they can envision bringing in their furniture and then any other decorating details. Maybe they do want to paint an accent wall. Maybe they want to change the kitchen backsplash, but they want to know that the walls and the flooring are good to go and it's a blank slate for them. One thing you can do is ask yourself, does this look like one of the homes that HGTV show would like recently have updated and renovated? And if not, that's okay. Maybe you get a friend or a designer, maybe you have a designer friend or somebody who's just really into home decor, or your realtor, and make sure that you've done the most you can to make your home as updated as possible. So with that, I hope this has been helpful for you to not make costly update mistakes. Just be really careful with what you do, and with any questions, I'm so happy to help. I've got my finger on the pulse of what's in style, because right now, I think I have 9 flips going. Half of those are in South Orange County and half in the Palm Springs area. But I'm always looking at what's in style, consulting with my designer and stager, and making sure I am fresh on top of things, because I'm always wanting not only for myself to get the most amount of money possible on my flips, but for my clients to get the best price possible for their homes. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more great real estate content, whether it's in investing in real estate or just making the most out of your home when you buy or sell a home.